From a garage to one of the richest companies in the world, Amazon is truly the success story of the century. Hello everyone, welcome to this journey of knowing more. If wealth is the only tool to define success, then ladies and gentlemen, Amazon's net worth as on June 29, 2021 is $4,17,115 billion. That is a lot of money. Still not convinced? Let's go further. Its founder and CEO, Jeff Bezos, is the richest man on earth with a net worth of more than $200 billion and, according to reports, is going to be there for long. All other success stories will surely have to take a back seat because the success of Amazon is unparalleled in the human history. Well, friends, we all now would like to know, how did it start? The company was started by Jeff Bezos. In 1994, Bezos left his employment as vice president of D.E. Shaw & Co., a Wall Street firm, and moved to Seattle, Washington, where he began to work on a business plan for what would now become Amazon.com. After reading a report about the future of internet that projected annual web commerce growth at 2300%, Bezos created a list of 20 products that could be marketed online. He narrowed the list to what he felt were the 5 most promising products, which included compact discs, computer hardware, computer software, videos, and books. Bezos finally decided that his new business would sell books online because of the large worldwide demand for literature, the low unit price for books, and the huge number of titles available in print. Amazon was founded in the garage of Bezos' rented home in Bellevue, Washington. Bezos' parents invested almost $250,000 in the startup. Bezos selected the name by looking through a dictionary. He settled on Amazon because it was a place that was exotic and different, just as he had envisioned for his internet enterprise. Now, we move towards Amazon's journey. Well, Amazon has achieved a lot in its journey of 26 years, but we will be focusing on few important ones. Amazon started off as an online bookstore selling books, primarily competing with local booksellers. Amazon first went public on May 15, 1997. Its IPO was at 18 per share, raising $54 million. 1998 is the most important year for Amazon, as in this year, Amazon announced that it will move beyond books. Amazon launches free Super Saver shipping, which allows customers to get free shipping for orders above $99 in Jan 2002. Its first profits were announced in December 2003. Amazon moved into the cloud computing area with Amazon AWS, as well as the crowdsourcing area with Amazon Mechanical Turk. By being an early player, it eventually dominated the cloud computing scene, allowing it to control most of the physical infrastructure of the internet. Amazon also offered the Amazon Kindle for people to purchase their books as e-books, and by 2010, more people bought e-books than physical books from Amazon. In June 2013, Amazon launched in India and became the largest online store in India. Amazon started offering streaming services like Amazon Music and Amazon Video. By 2015, its market capitalization surpassed that of Walmart. In 2017, Amazon acquired Whole Foods Market for $13.4 billion, which substantially increased its footprint as a physical retailer. In 2018, its two-day delivery service, Amazon Prime, surpassed 100 million subscribers worldwide. All this makes us think, why was Amazon successful? What is the reason behind its success? Let us understand. Amazon is the largest and the most successful retailer in the world because they built the best customer experience. Customers expect 3 core things when they buy products from Amazon. Number 1, large selection. Customers always want to find the product they are looking for, and of course, this product should be in stock. Number 2, innovation. Amazon's innovation can be clearly seen in its financial results. Last year, it became the world's second ever public company to be valued at $1 trillion after Apple, and it has the second highest market valuation in the world after Microsoft. The huge success of the online giant is also evident in its revenue. Number 3. Customers' interest. Amazon puts customers' best interest at the forefront of every purchase by making it easy to return an item or cancel a service. It scarcely asks a question when customers want to return an item because the company doesn't want to make it a hassle, and it recognizes that customers know what's best for them. We all know success and controversies go hand in hand, and Amazon too has its share of controversies. Since its founding, the company has attracted criticism and controversy for its actions, including supplying law enforcement with facial recognition surveillance tools, forming cloud computing partnerships with the CIA, leading customers away from bookshops, adversely impacting the environment, placing a low priority on warehouse conditions for workers, actively opposing unionization efforts, remotely deleting content purchased by Amazon Kindle users, taking public subsidies, seeking to patent its one-click technology, engaging in anti-competitive actions and price discrimination. Amazon is known for its disruption of well-established industries through technological innovation and mass-scale production. But one thing is for sure, at present, Amazon is unstoppable. Before we end, we all would like to know, where does Amazon stand today? So let's explore. It is the world's largest online marketplace, AI assistant provider, live streaming platform, and cloud computing platform as measured by revenue and market capitalization. Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world. It's the second largest private employer in the United States. It is one of the big 5 companies in the US IT industry along with Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook. The company has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brand. As of 2020, Amazon has the highest global brand valuation. Hope you have loved this journey of knowing more. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to leave your valuable comments below.